Welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, we're diving into the enchanting world of creative wooden amazing collections. Get ready to be inspired as we explore innovative ideas, unique designs, and techniques that transform ordinary wood into extraordinary art pieces. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just looking for creative inspiration, this video is packed with exciting concepts that will spark your imagination. Let's jump right in and discover the beauty of wooden art together. Creative wooden amazing collection, inspiring ideas. 1. Nature-inspired sculptures. Create a series of sculptures that reflect elements of nature, such as trees, mountains, or animals. Use varying wood types to represent different textures and colors found in the natural world. 2. Functional art. Design pieces that serve a purpose, such as wooden bowls, coasters, or serving trays. Combine functionality with artistic flair by adding intricate carvings or unique shapes. 3. Wall art panels. Assemble a collection of wooden wall art panels that feature abstract designs or natural patterns. Use different wood stains to create depth and contrast, making each piece a stunning focal point. 4. Themed animal collection. Focus on a specific theme, such as forest animals, sea life, or mythical creatures. Carve or assemble wooden representations that tell a story or convey a message about wildlife. 5. Kinetic sculptures. Create sculptures that incorporate movement, such as spinning elements or pieces that swing. This adds an interactive dimension to your collection, engaging viewers in a unique way. 6. Modular designs. Design modular pieces that can be rearranged or combined in various ways. This flexibility allows for personal expression and customization, making your collection more dynamic. 7. Mixed media creations. Combine wood with other materials like metal, glass, or fabric. This mixed media approach can enhance the visual interest and create striking contrasts within each piece. 8. Miniature landscapes. Craft miniature dioramas or landscapes using wood to represent different environments, such as forests, deserts, or underwater scenes. Incorporate tiny wooden figures or animals for added detail. 9. Abstract geometric forms. Experiment with geometric shapes and patterns to create abstract sculptures. Use various sizes and arrangements to build a visually captivating collection that challenges traditional forms. 10. Cultural inspirations. Draw inspiration from different cultures around the world. Create pieces that reflect traditional art styles, symbols, or mythology, allowing your collection to tell a diverse story. Crafting techniques to explore. Wood burning. Use a wood burner to add intricate designs or patterns, enhancing the artistic quality of your pieces. Staining and painting. Experiment with different stains and paints to create depth and variation in color, giving each piece a unique character. Carving techniques. Explore various carving methods, from chip carving to relief carving, to add intricate details to your wooden creations. Display ideas. Gallery style arrangement. Arrange your collection on a wall or shelf in a gallery style, mixing sizes and shapes for visual interest. Natural elements. Incorporate natural elements like stones or plants in your display to create a cohesive and inviting atmosphere. Spotlighting. Use directional lighting to highlight specific pieces, enhancing their features and creating dramatic effects. A creative wooden amazing collection offers endless possibilities for artistic expression and innovation. By exploring various themes, techniques, and display ideas, you can create a captivating array of wooden art that resonates with viewers and inspires creativity. Embrace your imagination, and let your collection showcase the beauty and versatility of wood. More inspiring ideas for a creative wooden amazing collection. 11. Personalized keepsakes. 11. Personalized keepsakes. Craft personalized wooden items, such as engraved name plaques, photo frames, or custom gifts. Tailoring pieces for special occasions adds sentimental value and uniqueness. 12. Wooden jewelry. Design a collection of wooden jewelry, including earrings, pendants, and bracelets. Use intricate carvings and natural finishes to create stunning wearable art. 13. Seasonal decor. Create themed decor for different seasons or holidays, like wooden pumpkins for fall, snowflakes for winter, or flowers for spring. This keeps your collection fresh and engaging throughout the year. 14. Abstract wall hangings. Assemble a series of wooden wall hangings that feature abstract shapes and layers. Use varying finishes and dimensions to create depth and visual intrigue. 15. Sculptural furniture. Explore functional art by designing sculptural furniture pieces, such as chairs, tables, or shelves. Combine aesthetic design with everyday utility for a unique twist. 16. Storytelling pieces. Develop sculptures that tell a story or depict a scene. This narrative approach can engage viewers and invite them to interpret the artwork in their own way. 17. Interactive installations. Create larger-scale installations that encourage viewer interaction, such as pieces that can be rearranged or manipulated. This adds a playful element to your collection. 18. Textured panels. Experiment with different texturing techniques, such as carving, burning, or layering, to create visually rich panels that can be displayed as standalone art or as part of a larger installation. 19. Nature motifs. Incorporate nature motifs, like leaves, flowers, or waves, into your designs. This can create a calming and organic feel, connecting your art to the natural world. 20. Inspirational quotes. Combine art with motivational messages by engraving or painting inspirational quotes onto wooden pieces. This adds an uplifting element to your collection. Additional crafting techniques. Inlay techniques. Experiment with inlaying different materials, such as resin or metal, into wood for striking visual effects. Layering. Create depth by layering wooden pieces at different heights or angles, giving your collection a three-dimensional quality. Natural finishes. Use natural oils and finishes to enhance the wood's grain and texture while maintaining an organic look. Creative display concepts. Floating shelves. Use floating shelves to display your collection, allowing pieces to appear as if they are floating in mid-air. Rotating exhibit. Set up a rotating exhibit where different pieces are showcased each month, keeping the display fresh and engaging for viewers. Themed vignettes. Create themed vignettes that tell a story or evoke a specific mood, using your wooden pieces alongside other decor elements. Conclusion. A creative wooden amazing collection can be an extraordinary blend of artistry, functionality, and personal expression. By exploring diverse themes, techniques, and display options, you can curate a collection that captivates and inspires. Let your creativity guide you as you transform wood into beautiful, meaningful art that resonates with both you and your audience. More, assistant, Poe, even more inspiring ideas for a creative wooden amazing collection. 21. Whimsical characters. Create a series of playful, whimsical wooden characters, such as animals, fairies, or mythical creatures. Use bright colors and exaggerated features to make them fun and engaging. 22. Abstract nature forms. Design abstract sculptures that represent natural forms, like waves, mountains, or clouds. Focus on capturing the essence of these elements rather than realistic depictions. 23. Wooden planters. Craft unique wooden planters with artistic designs. Incorporate drainage and other functional features while maintaining a sculptural quality that enhances indoor or outdoor spaces. 24. Sound-generating sculptures. Experiment with creating sound-generating art, such as wooden wind chimes or percussion instruments. This adds an auditory element to your collection, engaging multiple senses. 25. Puzzle art. Design wooden puzzles that are not only fun to solve but also serve as decorative pieces when completed. Use intricate designs that appeal to both children and adults. 26. Layered silhouettes. Create layered wooden silhouettes that tell a story or depict a scene. Each layer can represent different aspects of the story, adding depth and interest. 27. Candle holders. Craft artistic candle holders that blend functionality with design. Experiment with shapes and finishes to create pieces that enhance the ambience of any space. 28. Interactive maps. Design wooden maps of favorite places, countries, or even fictional worlds. Include interactive elements, like removable pieces or landmarks that can be repositioned. 29. Inspirational tree. Create a wooden tree sculpture with branches that can hold notes or photos. This piece can serve as a visual reminder of cherished memories or goals. 30. Artistic games. Develop artistic versions of classic games, such as chess or checkers, using uniquely designed wooden pieces. This combines playfulness with aesthetic appeal. Additional crafting techniques to consider: spalting. Explore the natural process of spalting, which creates beautiful patterns in wood, adding unique character to your pieces. Resin inlays. Incorporate resin inlays into your designs for vibrant colors and textures, enhancing the overall visual impact. Carving with chainsaws. For larger pieces, consider chainsaw carving techniques to create dramatic sculptures that stand out. Creative display concepts to try. Rotating pedestals. Use rotating pedestals to showcase your sculptures, allowing viewers to appreciate them from all angles. Nature-inspired backdrops. Create nature-inspired backdrops for your display, such as a forest scene or a beach, to enhance the thematic connection of your collection. Interactive exhibits. Creative display concepts to try. Rotating pedestals. Use rotating pedestals to showcase your sculptures, allowing viewers to appreciate them from all angles. Nature-inspired backdrops. Create nature-inspired backdrops for your display, such as a forest scene or a beach, to enhance the thematic connection of your collection. Interactive exhibits. Set up interactive exhibits where viewers can engage with your art, such as pieces that they can touch or rearrange. A creative wooden amazing collection can be a vibrant tapestry of imagination and artistry. By exploring a wide range of themes, techniques, and innovative display ideas, you can develop a collection that not only captivates but also inspires others. Embrace your creativity and let your wooden art reflect your unique vision, turning everyday materials into extraordinary expressions of beauty and meaning. Thank you for joining us on this creative journey through our wooden amazing collection. We hope you found inspiration and fresh ideas to ignite your own artistic endeavors. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more creative content. We'd love to hear your thoughts and see your own wooden creations, so share them in the comments below. Until next time, keep crafting, stay inspired, and let your creativity shine. Happy creating!